Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to sign in to your Pinterest business account securely. Pinterest business accounts are essential for managing your pins, campaigns, and analytics, so logging in safely is crucial. Step 1. Go to the Pinterest login page at www.pinterest.com and click on Login. Step 2. Enter the email address associated with your Pinterest business account and your password. Double-check for typos and ensure caps lock is off. Step 3. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, open your Authenticator app or check your phone for the verification code. Enter this code when prompted to secure your login. Step 4. If you can't access your 2FA device, use any backup codes you saved during setup to regain access. Step 5. Once logged in, go to your Pinterest business dashboard to manage your pins, campaigns, and analytics. Step 6. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password on the login page and follow the instructions sent to your registered email to reset it. Step 7. Clear your browser cache or try using a different browser or device if you experience login issues. Step 8. For persistent problems, contact Pinterest support. Provide details like your registered email and business account information so they can assist you in regaining access safely. Following these steps will help you log into your Pinterest business account securely and manage your business profile effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.